How to download TikTok on Android in any country even if it's missing from the Play Store or App Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. So the alternative way is simply you can use a VPN. This method tricks the Play Store into thinking you are in a country where TikTok is available. So first of all, you can easily check whether TikTok is available in your country or not. If not, you can head towards Play Store or App Store and you can tap on the search icon at bottom right and you can use the search bar to type in free VPN like Tarver VPN, ProtonVPN 1.1.1.1 by Cloudflare. Install the VPN app and you can easily connect to a supported country. Then you can easily connect the VPN successfully and download it from Play Store. After installing TikTok, you can disconnect the VPN and TikTok will continue working without the VPN once installed. So, second method is simply you need to use the APK websites. If the VPN method doesn't work, you can download TikTok from a trusted APK sites. So you can head towards settings and navigate to the security option. Then choose the system security option and here select installation sources. And you need to enable unknown or install unknown apps for your browser or file manager. And you can easily download trusted APK websites and install TikTok from there. So after installation, you can log in as usual. So if TikTok still doesn't appear in the Play Store, try changing to another country in the VPN and restart your device after installing TikTok. So this is only the method you can use in order to reinstall TikTok if it is not available on your country or if it is missing. I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.